Hi everyone. Today video I'm going to share with you how to create a robot on FXDREEMA. This should be a part 2 video, guys. Um, so I'm going to load the project. I'm going to go to project and load project here, and I'm going to load. So the name of this thing is what is auto trend line. So I'm going to load it because we have already done it. So you can see the robot here. So if you have not watched the part one of this video, you need to watch it, guys. So here we created this robot, guys, and we made this robot, and after then we are able to make this robot. So we made this one. I explained to you on the part one of this video. I taught you, I teach you this one, how to do this one. So so on this part two now, we are going to go over to this one to talk about this one, guys. So looking at this one right now, you can see that we have what on and off here. Let me just edit. You can see that we have what on and off here, which is open order. So and we use what boolean, and we use a value. So I'm going to show you how we put this. So if you look at this place right now, this place is a place where we pick our what our our strategies and other things, guys. So looking at this place right now, we are going to go to condition, and we pick what a condition. That's where we pick this one. So and we go to condition, and we rename it. We rename it what off and on. So we rename it what off on like on off, then we name it what open order. So I will click what done. So remember this robot is going to be on the description if you want to download it, guys. So and the second one is what we use what we place what and we place a buy trade. When they just edit it, we place what buy trade, which we say that it should be what group, and it should be what specified under buy. So and that's where we pick what we go to this place, this check position and other counts. That's where we pick our position. So we didn't pick if position, but we pick what position order. So no position order. We pick what no position what order. So to make sure that there's no other trade that is either when the trade has been counter any trade. So we connect it to this one, and we rename it what? We rename it what? We rename it uh, open order, guys. We name it no other trade. So we try to make sure that there's no other what? No buy. So we can just leave it like this, or say what? No other trade. We just say no. Okay, so that is okay like this. But we just, if you want to leave it, you can leave it. We just say what no order, which is no order what buy. So and we say done. So remember these two are the same thing. So and we now duplicate it like this. If you look at this place right now, we did what we said that we should what filter by what buy, and we just filter it by what buy. We just filter it what buy. You can see that it's either sell and buy. So we have to pick what buy, because this is what we are going to choose what buy. Then the next thing is what is for us to choose the what condition again. So which we go to condition and formula and choose what condition, and connect it together again. And if you look at condition, we are going to give it what condition. We are just dealing with the buy, and we are dealing with the buy only. And later we are going to deal with the sell. We are going to go for sell. And if you look at this place, we did what we said that it should be what it should be what candle. It should be candle ID and what one, which is what we do, and it should be above what it should be above cross above, so which is what we choose here. So now we are going to choose this thing here, and we are going to choose what it should be what candle. So remember, like we said, what it should be what candle, which is what it should be what candle, and we said that it should be what above. So that is what you just need to understand, because we are dealing with what candle. Like if you look at this place, you will see that we are dealing with what candle, and we are dealing with what candle ID, and that should be the specific candle we are dealing with. So let me show you on this. I think I have done it. You can see this thing, guys. You can see this the robot here. Let me just remove this one. I'm going to show you how it works. How it works, guys. So and that is because we are dealing with what candle, guys. So and now we are going to say like what you see here, guys. You can see that we are seeing candle closed. So candle should be what closed. So we are going to pick what candle. So we should say what candle should be what closed. So that is and we need to specify the candle ID, the targeted one, which should be what one, and we say that it should be what above, guys. Now that is what we did here, guys. I don't know if you understand what that's what we did. This one it should be what cross above. So we are saying that it should be what cross what above. Cross what is not is what cross what above. I don't know if you understand. You can see cross above. So that is the thing now. Then we now go and pick what once per bar. Once per bar, just to do what current just the current time frame we are, so that you can be able to be acting. Even if you pick one hour time frame, it will start acting on a 1 hour time frame. If you pick five minute time frame, it will start trading on a 5 minutes time frame. That's where we pick what once per bar. I don't know if you understand. So this is where we pick what our what once paper, guys, and we choose it, guys, and connect it. And again, then the next thing is for the what is going to happen here. If we pick what once paper, then we say what is going to be what a buy. So this is what is going to be buy. So we can state our what take profit or stop loss. So which is we can actually state what our take profit. You can see we can state SL pips or fixed pips, which we did here. Here you can actually modify your own. Like if I want to modify it, I will say like I can say, let's say the stop loss should be what, instead of being in a fixed pip, I will say that stop loss should be what 20 pips, and take profit should be what 50 pips. So which I can update if I don't want it to be like this one. So and now I can now copy this thing like this, and what copy I can now copy it like this. I say copy and paste. Just you can see, guys. So we are now made this one. So what we have to do is to make some change here. Just let me do this number one, and we are going to say sell instead of buy. Then we change this thing to no position sell, no position sell. Edit the title. So no position sell. Even if you leave it by, it's still going to work, but we need to leave it as our reference. So we are going to say no position what sell, so that we are going to, even if somebody that know how to do this can able to see it clear, like can know what we are doing here. So we are just doing it so that person you can see no position towards sell. Then when we are done, we are close. Then the next thing we are going to do the same here. I just do small little thing. Then I'm going to remove this one, because this one is not supposed to be here. I'm going to remove it and say delete. Then go and pick what sell. Sell now. So and pick it here and collect it, guys. And we are what we are done, guys. So that is the thing. So this one should be what our condition, and it should be what cross below. You can see that it should be what cross below, and that is same, guys. Simple, guys, and we are done with our this thing, guys. You can see this thing is the same thing as this one, guys, and you can see how we have made our what a nice what a nice robot. So you can check this robot on a if you want to download it, the source code and everything, guys. You can check it on what on a link below and upload it, guys. So we have already backtested this thing. I think I already after we have done that, we downloaded it on a I think at one we downloaded it and with this Excel and we downloaded it and let me show you where I on this thing. I still need to upload it again and you can see this one is what I have right now and I need to upload it again and let me just go and copy it because we are dealing with what trend line like this is a robot and this is the robot. So I just need to copy it again. So I showed you that part one when you done, you have to download it here, either MQL5 or Excel, which we did here, guys. And I'm not going to download it again, so I'm just going to go to this thing and paste it again. Just let me show you how to post it, guys. And that is MQL5 and we go to expert and just you can paste it somewhere here or go to advisor or anything, just paste it here and that is it's going to just allow you to one time to paste so you can see auto trend line. Then we go to here and refresh. I have removed the rubber but it's still here. That is the thing. So I just placed this one but I don't know why it's still there. Um, so let me just do spot in here, guys. Expert advisor refresh, and let's see if you can go to. Okay, you can see it, guys. So just say, and you have to upload it here. Then we did small. You can see this is my. I have already made some things change here, guys, and you see this is my website. So that is the one I told you guys. So and you can actually go and change some things here. Like I want to change some constant here. We did I explained to you constant. We did which we say that this thing is supposed to be on true for you to start making it. You can see so it need and allow this thing to start and we just back tested it again. Just back tested it again. Just do what and do this thing. Let's say visualization and we pick our this thing, guys, and we pick our okay. We are already with a breakout, so I auto trend line. So so right now, and I just leave everything as it is and just click it. Okay, I'm forgetting something. That thing I need to told you. I need to click through for you to start what picking trade. So if you don't pick, if you don't, let me just remove it. We are going to set it so that you can start picking trade. You can see it's false because we set the constant. I already told you on part one of this video. So so that you can start what taking trade. Just let me just change this thing. So this is what we did, and you can see that it's taking trade, guys, and you can see how it's working, guys. So this is nice for you to understand how this robot work, guys. So I hope that you like this it. So this, but you can check the robot on this description of this video. So I will see you in my next video, guys.